In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Capcut project. Exporting videos is a crucial step in sharing your creative work with the world, and understanding the process can make your editing experience much smoother and more efficient. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your Capcut project. This is where you've applied all your creative touches and made those crucial edits, whether they're for personal memories or professional work. Just locate the project file on your device and tap to open it. Once it's loaded and you're satisfied with everything, the cuts, the effects, and any text overlays, you're ready to move on to the next step. When you have your project open, look for the export icon. It's typically situated at the top right corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to finalizing your video, so tap on it when you're ready to proceed. Doing so takes you to the next critical step, where you'll be able to choose your video's quality settings. Now you'll need to decide on the resolution and frame rate for your video. Capcut offers various resolution options such as 1080p or even 4K if your device and needs support it. Consider where and how you'll be sharing the video. For example, higher resolutions like 4K are great for high quality displays, while 1080p is often more than adequate for standard sharing on platforms like social media. Don't forget about the frame rate as well. Standard rates like 30 FPS or 60 FPS are commonly used depending on how smooth you want the final video to be. Choose the settings that best fit your needs and device compatibility. After setting your desired resolution and frame rate, simply tap the export or save button. This action will kickstart the process where Capcut compiles all your edits into a single video file ready for viewing. Then comes a little patience. You'll need to wait for the video to process. Depending on the length of your video and the resolution you selected, this could take anywhere from a few moments to several minutes. Dedicate this time to double check if your device is adequately charged or connected to a power source so that the process isn't interrupted. Once the processing is complete, your video will automatically save to your device's gallery, making it easy to find and share. Whether you're posting it on social media, sending it to friends and family, or inserting it into a professional presentation, your video is now ready for distribution. And there you have it, you now know how to export a Capcut project efficiently. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you bring your visual stories to life. Keep creating and sharing your unique perspective with the world. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy editing.